Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Sugar icing. Approximately 2 cups, 480 milliliters, powdered sugar. Approximately 4 to 12 tablespoons, 60 to 180 milliliters, milk or juice. Cream cheese icing. 0.5 cups, 120 milliliters, butter or margarine. 1 cup, 240 milliliters, cream cheese. 2 cups, 480 milliliters, powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters, vanilla extract.
Take our lead.
6 different types of icing for your cake. Buttercream. Buttercream is softer and more spreadable than most icing and is the preferred choice for taste and flexibility. Whipped cream. If lighter frosting is what you need, then whipped cream is the answer. Royal icing. Cream cheese frosting. Meringue. Fondant. The 15th of January 2019.
Take our lead.
I like to use my stand mixer, but you can totally do it by hand in a pinch. From this base, you can go crazy. Add a little bit of milk, cream, coffee, or juice to loosen the frosting or add additional flavor. You can fold in your favorite jam to give it a swirl of color and sweetness. 6 June 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.